Hey, pizza lovers! If you're like me, you know there's nothing quite like biting into a perfect slice of pizza. But why stick to the same old recipes when you can shake things up a bit? Today I'm going to share 5 unique pizza recipes that are sure to wow your taste buds and turn your pizza night into a flavor-packed adventure. First up, we have the classic Margherita. Simple, yet oh so delicious. This recipe is all about quality ingredients: fresh basil, ripe tomatoes, and creamy mozzarella on a crispy, thin crust. Drizzle a bit of extra virgin olive oil on top, and you've got a timeless masterpiece, perfect for the traditionalists out there. Next, let's get a bit adventurous with a BBQ chicken pizza. Swap out the regular tomato sauce for a tangy BBQ sauce. Add some shredded chicken, red onions, and a blend of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Top it off with fresh cilantro after it comes out of the oven. The sweet and smoky flavors are a match made in pizza heaven. Feeling a bit more daring? How about a Thai peanut pizza? Trust me on this one. Use a peanut sauce base, then add shredded carrots, bell peppers, and cooked chicken. Sprinkle on some mozzarella and bake until bubbly. Once it's out of the oven, top it with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime. It's a fusion of flavors that will take your taste buds on a trip to Thailand. Now, for the veggie lovers, I've got a Mediterranean veggie pizza that's packed with flavor. Start with a classic tomato sauce base, then pile on artichoke hearts, olives, red onions, spinach, and feta cheese. Sprinkle with oregano and bake. The combination of salty, tangy, and fresh makes this a standout veggie option. Last but not least, dessert pizza. Yes, you heard me right. This Nutella and strawberry pizza is a game changer. Spread a generous layer of Nutella on a pre-baked pizza crust, top with sliced strawberries and a dusting of powdered sugar. Bake for just a few minutes until the Nutella is warm and gooey. It's the perfect sweet ending to any pizza night. There you have it, folks. 5 unique pizza recipes that cater to every craving. Whether you're a traditionalist or an adventurer, there's something here for you. So next time you're planning a pizza night, why not try one of these recipes and surprise your taste buds? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Thanks for watching and happy pizza making.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.